welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a get it all done style video. I decided to skip the gym today and be productive and try to get as much things done as possible in my house. I have let it go the past few days and it just needs a good cleaning, organizing. I'm gonna have to take multiple days off from the gym if I want to get everything done, but I'm going to, for the next 3.5 hours, I would say, because I do have other things I would like to get done, like taking my dog a walk. I also have to rent a library to return a book and stuff, but I'm gonna use 3.5, maybe 4 hours, probably 3.5 hours dedicated to just tackling as much as I can do in the house. My two main things that I would like to do in today's video is the refrigerator and the pantry, which usually takes me 2 hours alone. But yeah, those are two main areas I would like to get done. Other things that I would like to get done are cleaning the floors, vacuuming. I think I have some laundry to fold. I think I just have towels to fold, so I want to do that. What else? I also need to clean the kids' bathroom and just picking up around the house, unloading the dishwasher from last night, cleaning up the kitchen from this morning, stuff like that. So that's why it's gonna be a get it all done video, because I'm literally going to be all over the place doing random stuff. And then if I do have time, which I'm pretty sure I won't, if I do have time, I'll throw in other random stuff that needs to also be tackled. But if I can at least do the fridge, the pantry, fold the towels, and clean up the kitchen and the floors, I'll be happy. So that is the goal. We will see what we can get done. It is now basically 9 o'clock. It's 8:59. So I'm gonna give myself until around 12, I think. Maybe 12:30. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself until 12:30 to get all this done. And then the rest of the time, and then I have to get Madison from school. I have to leave the house around 1:45. So the rest of the time I'm going to use to make myself some lunch, give the dog a walk for half an hour. So yeah. Anyways, I usually don't do intros like this when I do cleaning and organizing videos, so sometimes I like to show my face. So that is what's going to be going on in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy it and find some motivation. Like I said, since the kids are back in school, I am going to be taking advantage of the few hours I have free during the day without the kids to get things done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start in the kitchen. I think I'm gonna unload the dishwasher and wipe down the counters and just pick up in the kitchen. And then I will move on. Well, maybe I won't wipe down the counters yet, since I'm going to be taking things out of the pantry and the fridge. I will unload the dishwasher, clean the dishes that are in the sink, and just pick up the random stuff that's on the counters. And then I will do the fridge and the pantry, and then see what else we can do. All right, you guys, so I am just showing you a really quick before on what I was working with, how the house looked, how the refrigerator looked, and how the pantry worked. So you guys saw the mess that I needed to clean up and organize. Like I said, this video mainly I wanted to tackle the fridge and the pantry, which is what I spent majority of the time because it takes so long. But as you guys can see, the rest of the house was pretty messy, so I wanted to go ahead, and since I had extra time, I went ahead and straightened up the house as well. So this is the fridge, this is how it looked like, and then this is the messy pantry. So embarrassing of how I let it go, but it's real life, and sometimes this just happens and I have to get my life back together and organize it. So I'm going to straighten up a little bit around the house first, and then I'm going to go ahead and I think I did the refrigerator first, and then I moved on into the pantry because I knew the pantry would take me longer.
Making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head, like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Get back again, 'cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming of peace of mind,
now that I am done straightening up the house a little bit, I have now moved on to the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do is just pull out a few like sections at a time. I just find it easier to do it that way. Instead of pulling literally every single item out at the same time, I'll do a few shelves at a time, place it all out on my counter, go through it, see what needs to be thrown out. And then I always try and give the refrigerator a nice wipe down. So I was just using a microfiber cloth, and then I used that cleaning spray that I got from a Target recently, and that is what I use to wipe down the refrigerator. I also had to clean out the little organizing clear bins that I had because there was like stuff that had spilled in there, so it was sticky, there was crumbs in there. So before I organize everything nicely again and put everything back into the refrigerator, I want to go ahead and make sure that I cleaned out the containers and then dried them off.
Back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me you're sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. To get over you, I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart.
So I find it easier for me and my family personally that instead of just washing the fruit and then putting it back in the refrigerator, like washing it and also cutting it up and then placing it in like organizing bins, just because it's just easier and quicker for the kids to grab a snack if they want. They don't have to ask me to cut up their fruits. And then also for me, I like to make a lot of like yogurt bowls and put it in cereal and stuff. And every time I pull it out, that's one less thing I have to do. I know it's like only takes another like few minutes to do it, but if you're in a rush in the morning, trust me, every minute counts. So that is why I cut up the fruit a lot of times and put it in containers. Also, these cuties, I have never done this before, but it is annoying to have to sit there and peel a million of these every time the kids want them. So I went ahead and peeled all of them and put it in a container, and it honestly lasted. I wasn't sure if it was going to stay like fresh, but it did. So I'm going to be doing this from now on anytime I buy these and just placing it in there. And again, it's already peeled, so if the kids want it, they just go in, grab it, and they don't have to ask me to peel it. Well, Madison doesn't talk, but you guys know Madison will just like bring it to me to peel, so it's just easier this way. So that is why I am like peeling it and cutting everything before I put it back like into organizing bins.
It feels like we've been falling lately, and Is this paradise? So come on, baby, and hurt me. Let's see what you got. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. Doesn't matter what we'll be. Still been through a lot. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. 'Cause it feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. Is this paradise? City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these.
Now the refrigerator is done. I am now moving on to the pantry, and the pantry definitely took me much longer than what the refrigerator took, I feel. But again, I'm going to pull everything out, go through what I have in there, see what is expired and just needs to be tossed out. There was things in there that barely had anything in, like the boxes or containers that I was just like, why is that even in there? So I went ahead, went through everything. I threw away a lot of stuff, and then I'm going to organize everything nicely again and put it back into the pantry.
These city lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know. I never felt more alive. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side.
All right, you guys, so I am finally done, and this is the after. I feel like no matter how much I try to get it as organized as possible, I feel like it never looks like everyone else here when they do their fridge organizations, but whatever. I feel like it looks so much better. But up here I have some butter and my eye masks. Up here I just have a bunch of like condiments, so like soy sauce, syrup, liquid aminos, extra sauces that we open that we have a little bit left. Down here is like barbecue sauces, mayonnaise, buffalo sauce, hot sauce, ketchup. And then I have some protein shakes down there, beef broth. We have some drinks up here. I have this container that's empty that I can put something in, but right now it is empty. I have some drinks here. I cut up the watermelon, washed the apples, sparkling water is there, eggs, and then I did, hopefully these, I don't know how it'll last, hopefully it'll last, but I went ahead and put up all the tangerines in here. Like I peeled them and then I cut up the strawberries, washed them, put them in this one. We have some yogurt and jello over here, and then this is all like my meal prep. So we have some like hard-boiled eggs in here. We have, I think I made a stir fry in these containers. Then we just have some cinnamon rolls that I pre-made for the kids, burger patty, and then this is some type of beef I'm probably going to be making for dinner tonight. And then here's just like cheeses, and we have some lunch meat and salami in the bottom. And then this last one is just all of our veggies. So, and then behind there I do have potatoes, because I feel like they last longer when I keep them in the fridge versus on the countertop. So that is how the fridge is looking. It is already almost 11 o'clock. It's 10:50. I got distracted with other things, but that is done. So now I'm gonna move on to the pantry. So the pantry is now done. And again, I know it doesn't look like, I feel like a lot of other YouTubers like organizing pantries, but this is good enough for me. It's so much better than before. So over here in the corner, we just have a bunch of breakfast stuff. So like cereals, pancake mix, like pancake slash waffle mix, then some oatmeal, some tea, the kids' extra lunch boxes up there in the corner. Over here we have like pastas, and then we have like couscous and different rices. Back there I just have some extra like taco shells. And here's a lot of like bacon stuff and peanut butter, barbecue sauces, chicken broth. I think I have some beef broth back there. Taco seasoning, chicken like marinade, cream of chicken. I need to buy some more canned stuff. I'm like completely out. I was stocked for a while, but now I'm almost out. Here are like some of my snacks. So just some like protein bars, and then a beef stick, some crackers. I have my rice cakes in the back. This is like random. I didn't know where to put. I didn't have any more room in the other basket, so it's just like panko crumbs, chocolate chips, stuff like that. Then I have my granola in here. All of the breads and tortillas are in this basket. And then down here is all like the kids' snacks. So we have some chips and crackers here, a bunch of different granola bars. And here, back here is those brownies, whatever they're called, cosmic brownies. And then 2 different crackers. We have cheese crackers and peanut butter crackers. Just a lot of like random snacks, applesauce, cookies, just like everything random. But then I put the water bottles in that basket. I'm gonna put something else in there, maybe some more snacks or something. And then the kids' lunchbox stuff. So like all of like their sandwich cutters and like little Ziploc bags and cute notes I put in there, paper towels, and then the dog food. So. All right guys, so it is actually, how many days later? I don't know, a few days later. And of course, I can never remember to like put outros and videos. I could have sworn I had an ending for this get it all done like cleaning video, but I didn't. So I'm at the end of editing this video. So I thought we'd jump on here really quickly to close out this cleaning motivational get it all done. Madison's in the background making noises. Hopefully you guys found some motivation. I did a little bit of everything. I cleaned out the pantry, the refrigerator, which was like the main things, tidied up like the living room, the house, laundry, all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give my video a thumbs up, and also subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family if you are not already. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, for always continuing to support me and my channel. Love it when you guys comment, like, everything. Just do it all. I love it. I love interacting with you guys. So let me know in the comments, as always, what videos you guys like the most, what you want me to film. I am like pretty much right now just filming what I want. So you guys will see some shopping videos, which I am like throwing into vlogs now. You guys will see vlogs. You guys will see cleaning videos. Holidays are coming up. So maybe I can even do, I didn't do last year, like stocking stuffer ideas, gift ideas, holiday shop with me's, wrapping gifts, all of that. So that's something that I'm thinking about doing this year. So definitely look out for a lot more fun videos. Madison's making a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and just close it out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, and if you haven't already subscribed, turn on your notification bell, and hope you have an amazing rest of your morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.